how to sign up to Recraft AI. So let's go to the website. Then click on sign in. Over here you can sign up with Google, Discord, Apple, or you can just type your email. I'm gonna email you a verification code. Then continue. Over here you just need to pick what are you gonna use it for. Let's say marketer, just me, concept art, first time. What did you hear about us? And here you just need to pick the plan. If you want to pay, you can just click on that. If not, if you just want to use the free one, click get started. And then over here you can see everything. If you go to projects, that's it, you're inside. Here's your account, you can log out or upgrade. And yeah, that's how you sign up to Recraft AI.